Right there, clean off the van. Yeah. Out my daughter's yard to the 28th. We're gonna go out, do a little camping trip. Just want to show you the snow that's on this. Yeah. So, gotta get this all cleaned up. There's the snow on the roof. We'll get her all cleaned up. Ready for another camping trip next Saturday, hopefully. Back's all cleared up. Get her running, warm her up. Still a bunch of snow on the roof. There's my solar panel there. As you can see, we've got more to go. We'll let her warm up. Heat her up on the inside. It's on the roof up there. We got it all scraped up. Now turn the diesel heater on inside. Warm that up some. Get some diesel. Just get it ready for another adventure, which will be Saturday. More snow coming tomorrow though, I think. And over Christmas, so hopefully not too much. We'll wait and see. We'll get her all cleaned up and ready. In here taking a little break in the van. Got my diesel heater on, warm it up. Hands are a little cold. I think it was like -10 today or something like that, the wind chill. It's warming up a little bit now. But get that diesel heater going, warm things up, go back out. Pretty well get it all cleared up for another storm coming, I think tomorrow on Christmas Day. So gotta have her cleaned up though a bit so it gets too thick up there. It's hard to get it on the roof. Get that all cleared up, ready for Saturday, I'm hoping. Okay, thank you so very much. Diesel heater is running. Oh, it's getting up there. 12 degrees in here. Always like 0, -1. So we'll get her warmed up. Warm up the fingertips and stuff and the feet. Get back at it, have it cleaned up and ready to roll again the weekend, hopefully. Thanks everybody for subscribing and checking out my channel, supporting me. Say you can't go in the woods, there's too much snow there fresh. I'll get stuck and I'll never get out. I only got a rear wheel drive here. It's not all wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, so we'll see what happens. Okay, take care for now. Peace and have a good New Year's and Christmas. Happy holidays to all. Thank you.